So this just showed up and I think I know what it is. Let's crack it open. Yo guys, TSP here, back with TSP Tech now. I want to say I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. I know I told you guys in my last video, which was a giveaway, by the way, I'll be giving away $125 worth of gift cards. Link down below if you want to check it out. But I said this. By the way, I have a very exciting episode coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Well, we're kind of running into production issues with that, so hopefully we can get that video out to you guys in the next 2 weeks or maybe a month. So I'm sorry for the wait, but trust me, it is going to be amazing. But that's not the point. Today, we have an unboxing to get to. Alright, so let's crack it open. That was a horrible, horrible cut. But alright. And here it is. The blue Snowball Ice. So here it is, the blue Snowball Ice. In my opinion and many others, the best budget YouTube beginner microphone you can buy. Now, for context, I have been using this. This is the HTDZ HT-81, a condenser shotgun microphone, which I got for, get this, 20 Canadian dollars. So how does this stack up against a $50 microphone, which is rated to be one of the best for budget YouTube beginners? So let's check it out. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Alright, here it is. But yeah, let's crack it open and see what we get. So we have something here. I don't know what. Okay, so there's nothing in the box. We'll just toss that to the side. We have a mini tripod for the microphone and a cable. Now this is just your regular printer type cable. So if you lose this, if you have a printer at home, pretty sure you can use that cable. And we have a manual. Now here is the microphone in its nice circular shape. Here it is. And the best way I can describe the microphone is it's like holding like a baseball. It's like holding, it's the size of a baseball. It's like holding a baseball. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this hooked up to my computer and start recording. So switching to the Snowball in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Alright, so we're recording on the Snowball right now. Let me know how it sounds. Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? This is how I'll probably have it set up when I'm doing voiceovers or talking, maybe even these kinds of videos. So how does it sound? Was it worth the $50? What do you guys think? Is it better than the $20 I spent on this? Was it worth the extra $30? Let me know how it sounds. By the way, pro tip, I've been using this for like the last 2 years and it has worked perfectly fine. So I would recommend this microphone if you don't have the money for a $50 microphone, but if you do have the money for a blue Snowball, I would recommend it. So I'm about to take a listen to it right now and I'll let you guys know my final verdict. Alright, audio sync. We have them both working right now. They're both recording simultaneously. And so yeah, right now let's do a quick test of the blue Snowball. This is what the blue Snowball Ice sounds like. And then if you switch over to the HTDZ HT-81, this is what that sounds like. Alright, so how do these sound? Do they sound good? Is there a difference? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, this is my final verdict. This microphone sounds just fine, but it sounds a little muffled, and I've noticed that while I was recording my previous videos. This is more clear, but I don't know. I feel like it was worth the $50, but what do you guys think? Would you guys pay $50 for this microphone, which many people would say they would because this is one of the best microphones, again, for budget YouTubers. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, drop a dislike. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. Hopefully, I can get it out to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, guys. Peace.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.